Isolated on this traffic island in the middle of the Strand stands this magnificent church, St Clement Danes. It derives its name from the earliest church to stand on the site, founded by the descendants of the Danish invaders. Rebuilt in 1680 to 1683 by Sir Christopher Wren. Destroyed by incendiary bombing on the night of the 10th of May 1941, the Royal Air Force restored it in 1958. It has served as the central church of the Royal Air Force to this day. There are two statues at the west end of the church: Lord Dowding, victor of the Battle of Britain, and Sir Arthur Bomber Harris, Marshal of the RAF. At the south side of the church, on the paving, several memorial stones have been laid to commemorate members of the RAF who died whilst POWs in Sandakan-Ranau, the RAF Regiment, RAF Gang Shows Association, RAF Apprentices and Boy Entrants. At the east end stands the statue of Dr. Samuel Johnson, 1708 to 1784. He was a regular member of the congregation and was credited with saying, "When a man is tired of London, he is tired of life." Just inside the entrance on the paved area is this crest of the RAF, surrounded by the crests of 8 Commonwealth Air Forces: Australia, Canada, Ceylon, India, New Zealand, Pakistan, Rhodesia, and South Africa. The glass showcase to the right when entering the church contains a silver snuff box. It was a gift by William Jarman to the church warden and his successor forever. Inside the church has been restored to the original Wren design. The galleried interior and the dark stained wood follow Wren's original design. Above the galleries, Corinthian columns topped by gilt acanthus leaves and lion masks. Coffered arches support the tunnel vault of the nave. These are decorated with gilt wings and ornate partially gilt plasterwork. Below the Stuart coat of arms, written in Latin, an inscription reads, "Built by Christopher Wren, AD 1682, destroyed by aerial lightning war, AD 1941, restored by the Royal Aeronautical Fleet, AD 1958. The banners hanging above show various wings of the RAF. Light floods into the church from the unusually high windows with clear, rheumy antique glass. Below the lower aisle windows are the books of remembrance. All the RAF and all the American airmen who were in the UK that died during the World War II. Over 125,000 names are recorded in the books. Anthony Lloyd designed this highly carved pulpit dating from the 17th century. Mounted on the wall near the pulpit is a list of names in gilt lettering showing the recipients of the Victoria Cross. The unusually wide aisle leads up to the high altar. This, together with the 2 side aisles, contain over 900 squadrons' badges in Welsh slate set into the paved floor. At the end of the pews are the names of the commanders of the RAF. For special services and events, the pews can be extended as shown here to create a further 140 plus places. They are on wheels and easily pushed back into the main pews. Gifts include the altar from the Netherlands, a chair from Douglas Bader to the memory of his first wife Thelma, 1907 to 1971, and the organ situated on the west balcony facing the high altar from the American Air Force.